Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First we take a look at the headlines. Case of terrorist arrest will be handed over to the NIA, says CM, asserts that government will not take any risk with the security. Enforcement of two-helmet rule in Goa likely to be from 2nd October. Government waiting for public suggestions, says Transport Minister. Around 250 job losers on an indefinite hunger strike. Candidates suggested by Manor Parikar were accommodated as field supervisors, claims Reginald. Wim Kovamas wins silverware in his first tournament in charge of India. Former national coach Armando Colasso is delighted. Short passing game is being continued. And 3 companies in the race for Tilak Maidan refurbishment. Technical bid scrutiny complete. Financial bids opened. SMC, the lowest and most probably will get the tender. And now the news in detail. Government is contemplating handing over the terrorist arrest case to the NIA. CM said that government will not take any risk as far as the case is concerned. Police have already filed for narco analysis test of Afzal Khan. Sources say that police have gathered some crucial clues and so they have extended Afzal's remand in police custody.
Chief Minister has categorically mentioned that government doesn't want to take any risk with the case.
I think today we are asking National Investigative Agency to take over the probe. But let them decide finally whether he is really a terrorist or just an similarly looking person. So is he doing a Reiki, or is he a sleeper cell, or is he an active terrorist? I can't tell you the detailed investigation, but we are involving National NIA for it because they are the specialist agency. We are not taking any, we don't want to take any risk in the investigation. It appears from all the, whatever they have interrogated, whatever things they have found out, that there is a reason enough of suspicion about him. Because there are some clues that he has something in regards to Pune. We are not sure about it. I am not saying that we have found it out, but we suspected few issues, so we intimated to them.
Goa police have already applied for narco analysis of Afzal Khan. Sources indicate that intelligence agencies have alerted the state about Hubli modules targeting Goa. CIMI had established its base in Hubli due to its proximity to Goa and Maharashtra. Police are also not leaving any stone unturned as some connections of Afzal Khan have come to the fore. Sources say that police asked for his extended remand following these leads. A senior policeman on the condition of anonymity argued that police wouldn't have asked for extension of his custody if they had not progressed deep into the investigation and found some crucial clues. Some of the arrests made by the agencies during last few days all over the country have indicated towards such intentions of the terror outfits against Goa. With bureau inputs, a senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
The two-helmet rule for two-wheelers is likely to be enforced from 2nd October in Goa. Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar clarified that the department is expecting public suggestions on September end. Chief Minister has clarified that there is no option to this enforcement. They were speaking to media after the Road Safety Week function held at KTC bus stand in Panji.
The second Road Safety Week began from Monday. Chief Minister Manor Parikar and Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar, Transport Director Arun Desai and other dignitaries attended the function at Panjim KTC bus stand. Chief Minister said that students will be trained on road safety.
हेल्मेटाक विरोध करप हे खंयचें लॉजीक? पण कायदो क्लियर सांगता की हेल्मेट घालना जाल्यार इट इज एन ऑफेन्स आनी हाका एक्झम्पशन फक्त सरदारजींक आसा. हांव एक कित्याक सांगता, आमी स्वताहून शिस्त हाडली ना जाल्यार हळूहळू करून कोर्टां इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक लागता. आतां थंय कोण तरी उपासाक बसल्या, आमरण करा उपासन. रोखडे लोकांक कळटलें की हे कशें खातात ते. फाटल्या दिसांनी एकटो बसलेलो, ताजेर कॅमेरा लायलो हांवें, मागीर लक्षांत आयलें की संडासान वचून बटावडे खाता म्हणून. एज्युकेशन ऑन रोड सेफ्टी शूड बी कंपल्सरिली डिजायन इन द स्कूल्स. ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक कळूंक जाय वॉट इज रोड सेफ्टी. म्हणजे एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाच्यानूय हांव काही वर्कआउट करता, म्हजे तकलेन हो विशय आसा. ज्यो गजाली आमच्या हातान आसा, एक्सिडेंट, ड्रिंकींग हॅबिट्स हे करप, ह्यो म्हाका दिसता आमी थोड्यो तरी कर्टेल करूंक जाय.
Transport Minister informed that the file of HSRP has been sent to Chief Minister for rectification as there are shortcomings in the tender documents.
Helmet issue, I have already written to all MLAs, to all Jilla Panchayat Sadas, all NGOs, all editors of the, all channel directors to write to me if you got any suggestion on helmets, or otherwise in 15 days if something has not come from these people, I will take an initiative to implement helmet rule in Goa. HSRP चे implementation काही त्रुटी असा. I have sent a file to the Chief Minister.
Senior journalist Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Around 250 youth affected by BJP government's decision to cancel their selection process have started an indefinite hunger strike at Azad Maidan in Panji. They had got the offer letters before Model Code of Conduct came into force. Meanwhile, Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald has alleged that Congress had accommodated youth suggested by Manohar Parrikar in the selected candidates list before the election.
250 job losers from the animal husbandry, mines, health, education and Panchayat department are on an indefinite hunger strike. They have criticized Health Minister and State President of the BJP, Lakshmikant Parsekar, for misguiding the people over the recruitment issue.
फळदेसाय, काब्राल आणि आमचो प्रमोद सावंत की यांच्यानी सांगले की आमचे कोणूच मायनी एरियेचे भुरगे ना. पूण हांव तेका सांगूंक सोदतां, तेका खबर ना जाल्यार पाळयेचे 5 जाण भुरगे आहा ते बी म्हाज्या कॉन्टॅक्टान आहा. सांग्यावेले 6 जाण आहा ते कॉन्टॅक्टान आसा आनी कुडचडेचे 7 जाण आहा ते कॉन्टॅक्टान आसा. बेश्टी अशी फटिंगपणां करूं नाका. पयरूय पार्सेकरान तेजे फटिंगपणां केलें की 1000 भुरग्यांची इंटरव्यू 21 तारखेक जाली म्हणून. अरे 21 तारखेक लिस्ट फायनलायज जावन सिलेक्ट जावन भुरगे मारलेले आसता. आमचे 21 तारखेक न्हू जाल्यार नोव्हेंबराचे 28 तारखेक इंटरव्यू ओरल स्टार्ट जाल्ली आनी दिसाक 200 आनी ते बी बॅच वायज घेताले आनी 6 तारखेक सोंपलेली आसा. अशी फटिंगपणां करपाक आमी काय प्रेसार येयनात बाबा तुमकां सांगपाक. कित्याक लोकांक फटयता?
They will continue their hunger strike till their demands are met.
तर आमकां जो पर्यंत न्याय मेळना तो पर्यंत आमचो हंगर स्ट्रायक चालूच उरतलो.
आमी हे गोंयचेच भुरगे, तुमकां आतां इतलो निवडून दिवन येदो व्हडलो पोस्ट घेतला तुमी गोंयचो, तशें आपले हार्टूय व्हडलें करून आमकां कामाक जॉयन करून पोटाक लावचें, इतली रिक्वेस्ट आहा.
On the other hand, Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald has claimed that candidates suggested by the then opposition leader Manohar Parrikar were selected as field supervisors in the mines department before the election code of conduct.
You are making a very serious charge. You are saying jenna हे job ditale tenna तुमच्या सरकारान leader of opposition confidence घेतिल्लो आणि ताजे candidate घेतिल्ले.
Yes, I am saying it. He has not objected to the whole process when the process was going on. One, when you don't object, you are conniving. Your conniving means your interests are taken care of. Tell me now.
ताजी candidate आसा, मनोहर परिकराची candidate.
Yes, yes. तागे candidate आहे. ताक नाम म्हणणे आपणा candidate नाही मो. कित्याक जाणटो सिंपल आता बट स्ट्राइक केल्या तेदोन थोडे भुरगे येताय आनी थोडे भुरगे नाही. जे तेगे आहाय ते नाही स्ट्राइकाक. तांकां एश्योरन्स दिला तूं भिनांगा तुगे कोत्तलो म्हण. This is not correct.
With bureau inputs, reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
Incessant rain in Goa will continue for another 3 to 4 days more. Met Department has informed that there will be gushing rain. India has been receiving heavy rainfall since the past many days. If the rain continues the way it is, there is a possibility of flooding in some areas.
Goa has been witnessing heavy rainfall from past 1 week. Gujarat and Rajasthan are also receiving heavy rainfall. Rainfall has reached the mark of 102 inch. Met Department informed that by the end of September, the rainfall might cross 110 inches. There is an anticipation that rainfall will pour for 2 more days. A warning has been issued to the fishermen not to venture into the sea. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.